How to transfer money from Goldman Sachs to another bank. Let's get started. First off, log into your online banking through your bank's website or mobile app. Once logged in, you will land to the home page. Now find this section labeled as transfer money or external transfers or similar. Then select the option to add a new external account. You will need following information of receiving bank, bank name, routing number, and account number. Depending on Goldman Sachs procedures, you may need to verify the external account by confirming small deposit test. Once the account is verified, enter the amount you wish to transfer and confirm the transaction. Ensure all details are correct to avoid delays. Double-check the transfer details and submit the request. Most transfers to external accounts take 1 to 3 business days. This guide covers all essential steps to transfer money from Goldman Sachs securely and efficiently. Whether you are a beginner or experienced with online banking, our guide simplifies the process. Enjoy seamless banking by following these straightforward steps. Make your first transfer today and experience the ease of modern banking. If this guide was helpful, make sure to smash that like button, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.